Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create straight stitches and create it accurately. So I'm going to show you three methods that you can use, three tricks that you can use so that your sewing can be really straight and so that your work, the total output of your work can be very accurate. So I'm going to teach you how to use the tape. I'm going to teach you how to use the scale. There is a scale on your throat plate on your sewing machine, and the third method is I'm going to show you how to create your own gauge while you are sewing. Then you should watch this video to the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you a little trick that will change your whole sewing life. Trust me when I tell you this, it's going to change your whole idea of how to create stitches on the sewing machine.
Hi guys, this is Sam for Streetwise. Welcome. If what you're looking for is a place where you can learn how to take your tailoring from this to incredible, then you are the right place. All you have to do is just subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can get all my videos once they drop. Let's get down to today's video.
So let's go. The first method is the tape roll. I'm going to create contrast. So I'm going to use a fabric that has different colors to the thread on the sewing machine. We're going to do this really quick. So we put it. So I said the first method we are going to use is the tape roll. So let's say you want to stitch. You want to sew the sides of your garment, and you want it to be ½ inch. So all you need to do is to just put your tape roll at ½ inch, and you place the footer down on it like so. So once you put your tape roll like that, then the next thing you do is you put your tape roll down here so that you know that you are sewing ½ inch. Then next thing you do, you put your foot on the pedal and try to sew straight alongside. Then you shift your tape roll down. This might look like a lot of work, but it is worth it. So you just go down, just go down. So the result is that your stitches will be straight and it will have equal distance to the edge. That's all, using your tape roll. So the next method is you using the gauge on the plate, which is very important because it's going to show you how to do this on multiple stitches, multiple ways. So you realize, so you see that there are some gauges on your on the throat plate. You see that there's quarter, there's half, there's 3/4, there's 1. So these are equivalent to the measurements on your tape roll. There's quarter, so like this. So there's quarter, there's half, there's 3/4, there's 1 inch. So 1 inch from here to here. So what you have to do is, if what you want to do is going to be just quarter from the edge of the fabric, then you don't need to, so you use the first one. So you use the edge of the footer of your sewing machine as the gauge. So you do this and you just walk down. So the result you have is this. So the distance is just quarter. So if what you want is for it to be here along the quarter line, then you just put it here and you do your sewing and you just go down. So you realize that you are just accurately from the edge. So you can just decide to pick the next one at the 3/4 point. Then you just sew down. And when you pick it up, it's just accurately from the side. So if what you want is on the 1 inch line, then you just do it and just go all the way down. So you realize that you see how all the stitches are straight on the line. So this is what you do if you want to use the gauges on the plate. But sometimes there are some sewing machines that don't come with this. You can actually buy this if your sewing machine doesn't come with it. So if you want to do a DIY kind of gauge for your sewing machine, you can try this. So to do this, you can take your tape. It's better to use a paper tape so you can see what you are doing very well. Well, I don't have my paper tape here, so let me just use this to show you how you are going to do it. So you take your paper tape, you cut a length, you decide on the throat plate where you want to, how you want to gauge your sewing, and just put the tape. So like I want to use the quarter mark, I'll just put the sellotape there, and all I need to do is shift up to the point where the sellotape, where the tape is, and just walk down alongside where the tape is, and I'll still have straight stitches. So that's like the 3 methods that you can use that will get you straight stitches. In the next video, I'm going to show you different type of stitches that you are going to use majorly in men's wear, then in some female wears too. So before I go, I'm going to show you the tip. The tip is, while you are doing all this, while you are trying to use this gauge and everything, you know, trying to use the tape, the secret is that while you are sewing, you don't look at your needle. So you don't look at your needle. What you look at is what you are gauging your fabric against. So if what you are gauging your fabric against is this point here, you don't look at your needle. You look at this point while you're sewing. So once where you are looking at is this point, your needle is going to punch exactly where it needs to punch once this is where you are looking at. So you just go straight, straight, straight. So it is not magic. You just go straight like that. So you don't need to look at your needle. You need to look at what you are gauging your sewing against. So you should always have a frame of reference while you're sewing. That's all, guys. See you in the next video.
Wait, if you're enjoying the video, please like it now. Please, it helps the channel and it encourages us to keep doing what we're doing. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell too. Bye.